welcome back to my bird ball recipe. Here we go. It's been chilling in the refrigerator for a little over an hour. I washed my hands, everything's clean. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take a nice little ball, meatball. And I'm gonna put in a pretty good sized ball. Because these are meatballs and they're made to be enjoyed, and as long as we got about the same amount in each ball, they're going to cook evenly. Got my grill going outside so that I'm going to be able to cook these. Made some spaghetti sauce. I didn't actually make the spaghetti sauce. I did buy some store brand jar spaghetti sauce, but I always like to doctor things up. So what I did was I took some of those peppers and the onion and a little bit of fresh garlic, and I sauteed a little bit in a pan. And I have got it's called a Ninja Possible cooker. So I've got the sauce. I took 2 jars of sauce, and I put my little peppers and onions and garlic and some canned mushrooms, and it's been over there in the little ninja, can't say that right, possible. And once I get these all nice and grilled up, I'll put them in our sauce. And then I will make some noodles and we'll have dinner. I'm so glad that you tuned in for part 2 of this video, because our bird balls are gonna be amazing. I'm just taking it's about 1/4 of a cup, I would say. So tell me how you've been doing. Have you been taking care of yourself? You know, one way I judge if I'm taking care of myself is have I flossed and brushed my teeth. For the flossing, at least once a day. For the brushing, at least morning and night. You know, keeping your mouth clean is just part of being healthy and having a healthy lifestyle. We've got our 12 bird balls here. So I will be back with you when I'm setting them on the grill. That's probably just going to be a short, because the grill part is going to be short and quick. Y'all have a good day.